have been working on a book so far, little do we know. I have been a journalist, a PR person, and I have had around 10 years of experience in this particular field. So, a graduate and a postgraduate from Wellinka Institute of Management in Mumbai, and I am also also a mother, a working one. So that's all about me. I actually started off as a writer in my early days of childhood. So it was more of, from a writer, I turned into a journalist and then into a mother. And of course, the writing, kept me on. However, when I was pregnant and when I was expecting, so I used to feel a lot of emotions that I actually thought, I didn't want to ignore them. So they just, kept me going, and I used to pen down all the emotions. So that is how Little Do We Know happened. Concerning my journey, I started off early. I, bagged the National Award for writing poetry in Standard 4th, and that was my first attempt. So that kind of boosted my confidence, and I continued my writing. While I was in standard 10th or 11th, I actually thought, I have a passion towards exploring things and towards questioning little habits or probably little occurrences of people. So I thought I would more be able to justify journalism better. So that is when I chose journalism as my career. Motherhood made me undergo a lot of sentiments and undergo those kind of experiences that at times you are not able to share with your partner or with somebody else, right? So that is exactly when you want to pen things down, or that is exactly when you want to vent it out. For me, motherhood was kind of a turbulating journey. I had a lot of ups and downs. Concerning my health or my emotions or anything otherwise. So I always preferred to, kind of take it out on a paper and connect those dots. So I wanted to keep this poetry and the book to myself. But when other people just went through it, they wanted me to launch it as a book. And it is an attempt to encourage people to, recognize what they feel and not ignore them. For instance, if, I am feeling something right now, probably I'm feeling confused. That confusion, if I ignore, would kind of build inside me. It will not stop there. So my quest, to discover new things or to discover new emotions led me to writing, and motherhood obviously made it better. Basically, when a woman starts working, there's this guilt factor that you'll always have. A working mother would always have that thing that, probably I'm giving a little less time to my child, or I'm not being able to justify my role or something like that. But then again, it's all about the support system you have. It's all about loving and embracing what comes your way. I mean, you're just doing it for yourself. If you don't love yourself, how will you love a child? So it's more about managing things. It's more about planning things a little ahead of time. But keeping the goals realistic is also something that helps. For me, definition of success would be that. And right now, I'm just making efforts to, reaching that point in life. For the real world, I would really appreciate if my child keeps an open mind to, grasping things. I wouldn't really prefer if she starts judging things with a particular mindset from the very beginning. When you start doing something, you learn a lot of things on the go, and that is how you embrace things. But you embrace it with an open mind is what one of the life skills I would really like to impart. The other one would be standing up for herself. I mean, if you don't stand up for yourself, others won't. When you are right, you are right. When you are wrong, you still stand up for the fact that, okay, you are wrong, you have made a mistake. and you accept it gracefully, and you overcome it that way. The third would be focus, concentration, and maintaining self-control, which is very, very important. You should know what you want to do, when to do, and which is the right time to do it. You make mistakes, of course, but then you learn from them. So these are 5 things that I would really want her to, imbibe. I really feel that self-doubt and self-guilt are, they both go parallelly with young mothers. It happens. I had a lot of inhibitions myself, but I overcame them with time. So those things are something that that one needs to take care of. Also, never set unrealistic goals that you know it for sure that you won't be able to fulfill. Again, self-care, self-love, they are the most important aspects. So one needs to focus on that. Also, sometimes small things happen. For example, if for me also, I learned it with time. My daughter, if she fell down or if something happened to her, I would obviously blame myself because I'm one person who is mostly around her. So, those panicking over small things, they do not really help.